Okay, so in this demo I'll show you the CDL General Accelerator, the flow to get a network on the CDL General Accelerator. We'll be targeting a general accelerator based on the MPF300T platform. So this is a much bigger FPGA from Microsemi. It's a polar PHY FPGA. We have this FPGA of the CDL core available on this FPGA in the general accelerator configuration. So this project files is very similar to the one we used for the standalone design, except this file points towards CDL core configuration. So that file is a file that describes the whole general accelerator such that we can fit this network on that specific general accelerator. And I believe that's the only significant difference. From there, the flow is very similar to before. We have CDL Design, and we tell it to export a general accelerator network, and we point it towards that project file. Okay, and this completes very quickly. We have a small performance report here, similar to before. First thing is the frames per second is much higher because this is a much bigger FPGA. Let's delve into the report of this network on the general accelerator. Okay, so here we have the memory map. Again, it tells us where to upload the data. So we have the input address here, and we have the output address there at the last layer at the end. And going down towards the report, again a very similar, all the same format. It tells us 126 frames per second, and the core itself on this specific network is going to process 187 gig operations per second. Okay. Then again we have the memory.bin and the memory.hex file that you can use to upload the weights to the network. The real significant difference here is there's also a microcode file. So this is binary data that describes the process that the core must execute for every layer. So when you actually use the general accelerator core, you can first upload your weights and your biases, and then you upload this microcode to the CDL core to essentially program it for this network. And then it's the standard flow where you just kick off the core, wait till it's done, and maybe in the meanwhile you uploaded new data and you downloaded the previous results. So from here there's no actual FPGA design flow. When you're in your development phase, you can use this data directly to test your network on the CDL core itself.